good.
Great. Hope you know that people are about to see our total faggot.
Oh, no.
Let's go.
Yeah. America. Woo.
Alright. You can say what you want to the camera.
Sup?
Hey everybody, thanks again for tuning in to another video here on Delco Airsoft. The footage in this game is from a fall game that we played about a year ago, and I didn't get enough footage of myself shooting the gun, so I decided not to put it up on the channel. But after some thought, I decided, what the hell, I might as well not waste the footage and just use it anyway. So, for your enjoyment, here you go. Once again, my name's Tom, and thanks for watching. Fuck you, Eric! Piece of shit. Alright, Shane just attacked us on the mountain. We're going after their team now. Paul, they're up here, Paul. Right now, we have 4 MIA. I sent a scout team to the top of Mount Suribachi, which was our fort, and they all vanished. We made contact with Shane's team. Now we have to find our MIA teammates, and we have to push Shane's team back at the same time. Fuck it, let's go. No, they're recording, so don't hit the button. I'm gonna have an awesome speech.
Yes, I know they record. Yep.
Alright, men, rally up!
What?
We were attacked. JP, film the fucking thing. We were attacked by Shane's team, alright? I chased them off into the forest. Now we all need to get our asses back to fucking Mount Suribachi, and we're gonna lock that fucking place down.
I gotta load
Let's
up.
go.
Guys, I gotta load up.
Load up there, let's go. Alright, here, give me the camera.
Where's the fire coming from?
What? 12 o'clock. We got enemy 40 meters down the trail.
Fluffling, you run out of battery, let me know, alright?
It's gonna keep flying, keep flying. I'm just gonna keep putting. Fire, Nate. Let me see that fucking thing fire. What?
Play that fucking medic game, I'll be the fucking medic.
Hoorah! Yeah, stay right there, Nate. Watch the pad.
I would never use a gun. Don't use me while
We caught a fucking prisoner, bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah.
Science, bitch. What do you want to do? I just shoot him for fun. Tom. No, don't fucking shoot him. What do you want to do with him?
I don't know. We might need time or something, but our priority is keeping them away.
Yeah, my cold.
Oh shit!
Yo, take off your clothes. No, Eric, come here.
Tie my pistol back.
This is gonna be rally time.
Yo, take your pants off.
Let's go. We got a wrestling match here.
We gotta fight.
Ah, okay, let's go.
Put the gun down, Eric. Put the gun down.
Yeah, please do it. Yeah, don't film that.
What the fuck? You gotta...
We got this on film, Eric.
What is that? Not to shoot me, Eric.
What?
Can I take my bag off?
No, you cannot take your bag off.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, punch him in the stomach.
This isn't even a real fight. Just punch him.
Punch him. Yo, he's getting in the way.
Yo.
I love you guys.
Yeah, Ricky, put it.
This is police issue, mate.
Oh God! Dude, this is so gay, Paul. Why can't you put him in a choke?
Yo.
Let's go wrestle each other.
He's going purple. Let him go.
Yo, Paul, let him go.
Yo, let him go. He's going purple.
Paul, let him go.
Let him go.
Paul, let him go.
Tackle each other. Come on.
You can't choke for shit. Come on. Thank the man who's turning purple. Sorry. It was red, not purple. Whatever.
God bless America. And my ass hurts.
Ah, my fucking.
You never heard of felony car stop? For the viewers of YouTube, should I show you what felony car stop?
Oh, that doesn't matter.
Do not put this on YouTube. Don't put it on fucking YouTube. You never see what a felony car stop is?
I'm kicking you in the nuts if you do anything to me.
Try to kick me.
I'm waiting for you to try to do something, man. You're gonna kick to the nuts.
Go ahead. I'll let you go.
Show me this felony car stop is.
Shane, everybody gather around. I'll show her.
Are we gonna try this again?
This might
And
hurt
can we
hard.
not say rape people, Ricky?
Felony car stop.
You've been a lot of felony.
Get on the ground.
Fuck you.
Put your hands out, get on the ground.
No.
He says no. Am I right?
Yeah.
Wait, do that again.
Okay.
My brother.
Slap boxing. Slap box.
Yeah, I know.
Now just get this.
Give it that to me.
Just scoop it.
Gonna fly now.
Slap him in the face.
Bar! Go for bar!
Cradle.
Come on, cradle, damn it!
Why is something? What? Every time,
I'm not gay. Yo, you guys all look at my ass though.
every time we hang out, somebody always ends up wrestling.
Of course.
Okay,
MVP's winning.
top!
Ricky, come touch Eric with your fat.
Go for a pin. Go for a pin.
I love you. In the stomach, please.
Don't shoot me in the stomach.
Hey, Taco, do that again.
Oh, reverse! Come on, reverse it, Paul! Oh, shit! Oh! Come on, Paul, reverse!
Oh, my hat. Do I have a birthday Diana? Yes, I do.
Oh my God.
Ricky, that's your own fault.
Ricky, you're fucking bleeding.
Right down there.
Paul's bleeding a bit.
Christ.
Christ almighty! This is one for the ages.
I still need to go back to the...
Excuse me, sir, how do you feel? That's good, sir.
All right, Eric. How was your day today?
Good.
Did anything exciting happen?
Yes.
Tell me.
We got our asses handed to us.
I just now ripped the one kid in the leg.
Shot in the eye.
Just tell the story with the fucking shooting.
We were getting shot at, and
SEAL Team 6 made a comeback.
we were being charged up the hill. Then we charged you guys up the hill. Then we met here, and then
This is where all day happened too.
Oh, I'm out.
All right.
I don't want to go first.
You'll be last.
I don't even know what to say.
Just say Delco Airsoft. We're gonna go in a circle.
I fucked your mother.
I'm from the hood.
Delco Airsoft. Go hard and go home.
Airsoft. Fuck bitches. Be a rapist.
You screwed that up. Almighty.
Yo, we were going.
Here we go. Your turn.
Alright, Delco Airsoft.
Delco Airsoft. Delco Airsoft. Delco Airsoft.
Delco Airsoft.
Delco Airsoft.
Delco Airsoft.